The outside of a refrigerator can often feel hot to the touch. And there are several reasons why this might be the case. Poor ventilation is a common culprit, as it can prevent the appliance from dissipating heat effectively. Additionally, dirty condenser coils can also contribute to the issue, as they play a crucial role in releasing heat from the fridge. A loose or damaged door seal can also be a factor, as it can allow cold air to escape and warm air to enter, causing the exterior to heat up. Similarly, a dirty condenser fan can impede the fridge's ability to cool itself. To address these problems, it's essential to ensure good ventilation by giving the fridge some space from the walls and removing any external heat sources. Cleaning the condenser coils with a soft brush and vacuum cleaner can also help. If the door seal is damaged, it may need to be replaced. To clean the condenser fan, the fridge should be disconnected from the power outlet, and the base grill removed to access the fan, which can then be cleaned with a soft brush before replacing the grill and reconnecting the appliance. By taking these steps, it's possible to identify and resolve the issues causing the exterior of the refrigerator to feel warm.